I've later been having very many questions from traders. Which indicator can I use? Which strategy indicator? Which trading view indicator? A lot of questions, guys. And I do ask myself, why do traders need indicator? So guys, I want to introduce you to one of the best indicators that I've come across. It is actually part of the VWAP indicators that you have known, but this is quite different. This is something maybe most of you have never seen, but I want to actually try it and test it as you see right now. Looking at past data of this chart right here, and I was seeing this indicator is working a bit different than the others. You can see right here, it's kind of shows the trend of the market, guys. And as you can see, when price happens to break above it, okay, you will see it is a breakout, or rather an uptrend resumes. When it breaks below, you will see a downtrend comes in. So guys, I don't want to take much of your time. I want to show you exactly how this indicator works. It is simple, guys, and I know most of you maybe have never seen it, I've never heard about it. So guys, I saw it right here. There is a band and there is a VWAP by itself. So guys, we have never ever talked about the VWAP by itself. There is a band. I know most of you have seen the VWAP band, but I just want us to focus on this one right here. It's easy to understand, but maybe if you need a full video of the VWAP band, basically I will do a video explaining about it. Okay, I just want to see how it reacts and everything. And so guys, the settings of this indicator, they're very simple. I've used the source as the high, low and close of a candlestick pattern, and the appearance over here I've activated only the last value. The rest you're going to leave them as a default settings. They're going to work well. So guys, if you want to change the source right here, you can change, but basically I feel like using the high, low and close 3. Okay, you can use anyone you want here, but basically this carries everything that I need to see. So guys, here we are, and let's say you want to execute your trades right here. I'm just using the general knowledge that I have, simply because I will say this level over here, when you see it moving horizontally, it's kind of show you a point of interest where you're supposed to watch the market from. So basically say, if this live candlestick pattern right here closes above and breaking this structure over here, and as we're closing above this liquidity sweep, I'm definitely going to take opportunity. But it happens maybe to close below this level over here, I would definitely consider taking my selling opportunity. And so guys, let's see what is going to take place. Let me just highlight the level so that we can see whether we are going to definitely execute trades. This market would definitely what sell. Okay, so guys, I'm going to draw it right here so that you can see. Let me hope it is visible. So I know this can take longer, but we're going to really be patient. Remember, Forex is all about being patient. And so guys, we're gonna see what is basically going to happen right here. And so guys, let's see how the market plays. Yup. When I see price actually sweeping this level over here, many traders will think of taking the buy opportunity, and that's why I gave you an assurance right here. When price happens to close above this liquidity sweep over there, I'll basically consider taking trades. But guys, as you see, the market was unable to do that. It broke below the structure level over here, and as well, it just closed below this VWAP. You can see right here. And so guys, let's see whether our strategy is going to be followed. As well, we'll be paying attention on this structure level right here. Let me draw it in a manner that we're gonna see. We're going to be looking at this level over here, and basically if it happens to break this level here, we'll be very privileged to target this level over here. Let me draw it for the sake of beginners in this channel. I'm trying to make everything simple for you, my subscribers. Another level right there. So it will be easier for us to execute trades. Basically, my stop loss will be at this level over here. And let's see whether the market is going to respect what I've predicted, my analysis. And let's see, guys. Wow, we basically on downtrend. We basically on downtrend. You can see, guys, price is definitely touching the VWAP, and as you can see, the VWAP is working real time. It is not repenting. Price has broken below our level over here, so basically there is a reaction again. Wow, price is reacting to our VWAP, and definitely there we are. And so, guys, I've told you we're going to be targeting this level right here. Price broke below, then there was what we call inducement. Price is cheating us to continue buying, and then price goes against it. Want to see how the market behaves. This took longer than expected. So, guys, if you're very wise, and maybe if you understood why I was targeting this level over here, simply because this level is a very, very effective level that we're supposed to be watching the market from. And you can see, guys, the market was unable and basically very unable to proceed to the downside, because this is a very, very important and crucial level that we'll be looking the market from. We have seen that the market is basically reacting to our VWAP right here. When it touches it, the market really presses to the downside. When it breaks above it, guys, you can see it's kind of a reversal took place, and basically you can see price as well broke above this one. So, guys, what have you learned about this indicator? What have you learned about this VWAP? It is working on real time. We have seen that, and it is not repenting. Also, on our live market right here, you can see price is actually trying to break our structure level right here. Keep in mind, price is actually above the VWAP. So if price happens to break this structure level, candlestick closing above, that will be basically an uptrend. But here it's so early to decide about it, because you can see price is actually showing weakness. So, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. And basically, you see the market went as predicted. Let's say you executed your sell order right here, you could have made your over 300 pips up to this point over here, because we were targeting this level. And you see multiple rejection of lower prices, you're supposed to exit the market right away. Okay, so, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. Let me hope it is understandable. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Bye, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.
Listen, traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learned only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account, because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading, because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only, and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.